Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Doordash payment error, guys. Actually really easy and simple, guys. So if you're actually having issues while placing an order, or you receive a payment error, so there's some things you can do to fix this. So make sure, guys, first things first is you want to make sure that the credit card number, the expiration date, and the security code that you had entered are correct. Any mismatch will cause the order to fail. And another thing, guys, if your company has moved recently, you want to make sure that the billing zip code associated with the credit card actually matches what you have actually entered. If the billing zip code does not match what you have entered, of course, guys, again, the order will actually fail to process. What you can do as well, guys, you can try to order again later with the same card. If you still have issues, usually what works for people is they just remove the card altogether, and they add the card again to the account. Okay, so remove the card and add it again to the account. That way, it should fix the problem. So you just go to the checkout page of the order, and under payment details, just click on the trash icon beside the card you wish to remove, and then just add the cards again. So you just click on add new payment method, click on either credit or debit card, and just add the card number, expiration date, and CVV code and billing zip code. Okay, and then you can choose it to be the default one, and just add card. Okay, if you want the dash bar subscription, you can do that as well. Now, if these options also don't work, guys, all you can do is buy a gift card, guys. Just order a digital gift card from the DoorDash website and cover the cost of the order. Just text it to yourself or email, and just click the link and the code will be entered in. And that's another way you can do this if the credit cards don't work for you guys. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So hopefully this video helps out. And if it did, guys, you can let everyone else know in the comment which option helped you. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.